Hello guys, today we are going to discuss how to detect a cycle in an undirected graph. So suppose we are given a graph of something similar, and this is an undirected graph, and we have to find whether it has a cycle in it or not. So the approach we are going to follow is, so at each point it will basically be a modified DFS, and since DFS is recursive in nature, so in each state we will maintain the current node as well as its parent. So for example, when on node 1, its parent will be -1. So from 1 will go to 2, its parent will be 1. Its parent will be, from 2 will go to 3, 3's parent will be 2, 4's parent will be 3, and 5's parent will be 4. And 5 will have 2 children, which is 2 and 4. So here we'll check a condition like if my visited of the neighbor is equal 1 if it is already visited, and if my parent is not equal to neighbor, then I'll return true. So I'll show you in the graph. So for example, its first parent 5's first parent is 4. So however 4 has already been visited, and 5's parent is 4, and 4 is also equal to the parent of 5. Neighbor is 4 and parent of 5 is also 4. So this will not be true for node 4. However, for 2 is already visited, and parent of currently 5 is 4, and my neighbor is 2. This condition collectively becomes true, and true, which will return true. So this detects a cycle. So the algorithm will be like bool DFS. We'll send a graph, a visited array, a current node as well as a parent node. In the starting, we'll mark visited of current will be equal to 1, and in a for loop, I'll see all the neighbors of graph of current. So at any point, if I see if my first is if my visited of current is equal 0, means the current neighbor is not at all visited. So what I'll do is I'll check if I'll make a DFS call to the by sending the graph visited, and my current will be the neighbor and my parent will be the current node. If this is true, then I'll return true. Okay, so this is the case when it is not visited. Hence, if my visited of current is equal 1, okay, means it is already been visited, and parent is not equal to n. What I'll do is, since this is the same condition, visited of current and parent is not equal to n, then I'll return true. And if nothing is met, then I'll return false at the end. And yes, and also in the main function, what we'll do is we'll create a visited array and initialize it with 0. Okay, and in a for loop which will start from I is equal to 0 to n, what I'll do is if it is not visited, and DFS of I'll send the graph, I'll send the visited, I'll send the current is I, and its parent will be -1. So the graph can be disconnected also. So that's why we are checking this condition, and I'll do return true. Okay, here's my handwriting. If it completes this loop and nothing is returned, we'll finally return false. Hope so it was clear. So discussing about the time complexity, it's a basically modified DFS, so its time complexity will be O of P plus P, since we are traveling each of the node and each of the vertices. So yeah, thank you.